All right, here is high frequency word lesson number 36. Let's read our first sentence. Ready? We bought our school supplies. Our first high frequency word to learn is bought. That means you're going to purchase something. Let's read our next sentence. Ready? She brought an extra sweater. Our second high frequency word is brought. That means you're going to bring or take something. Let's read our next sentence. Ready? He thought of the answer. If you think that our last high frequency word is thought, you are correct. Thought means it's something you do with your brain when you think. It's past tense. You've already done it. Excellent. Let's go ahead and go to our high frequency words. We will say it, spell it, say it. Ready? Bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. Bought. Brought. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. Brought. Thought. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. Here we go on our review. Build. B-U-I-L-D. Build. Busy. B-U-S-Y. Busy. Hour. H-O-U-R. Hour. Month. M-O-N-T-H. Month. Toe. T-O-E. Toe. Eight. E-I-G-H-T. Eight. Buy. B-U-Y. Buy. Piece. P-I-E-C-E. Piece. Shoe. S-H-O-E. Shoe. Money. M-O-N-E-Y. Money. Brought. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. Brought. Door. D-O-O-R. Door. Floor. F-L-O-O-R. Floor. Key. K-E-Y. Key. Pie. P-I-E. Pie. Half. H-A-L-F. Half. Lie. L-I-E. Lie. Thought. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. Caught. C-A-U-G-H-T. Caught. Tie. T-I-E. Tie. Young. Y-O-U-N-G. Young. Climb. C-L-I-M-B. Climb. Bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. Bought. Excellent job. Let's go ahead and practice our spelling. Number 1. Now remember, you can pause this after I say the word to try to see if you can spell it all by yourself. Number 1 is Mr. Pause it now. After you finish, then unpause it and see if you got it right. Mr. is spelled M, capital M, are, period. Number 2, Ms. Capital M, S, period. Number 3, claw. Sorry, that's not our word. Number 3 is blue. B, L, U, E. Blue. Number 4 is again. A, G, A, I, N. Again. Excellent job on your high frequency words.